আগেই জানিয়েছে আদালতের অনুমতি সাপেক্ষে এই পুরো মামলার রায় সরাসরি এখন বিটিভিতে সম্প্রচারিত হচ্ছে। আমরা একটু ঘুরে আসি সেখান থেকে দর্শক।
At victim Abid Hussain while clinging to the rod of an under construction building. So, in conclusion, I want to say that we have taken into consideration all the offending facts and circumstances and evidences available to the before the tribunal. In the long run, we found all of them guilty. Now the charges in brief will be read over by our Honorable Member 2 and summary of the findings and decisions and the order of conviction will be read over by our Honorable Member 1. So I am passing over to Honorable Member 2 for reading out the charges in short. Thank you very much.
As part of the aforementioned crime, following the instruction of Dhaka Metropolitan Police Commissioner Habibur Rahman on 19th July 2024 Friday, Rashidul Islam, the ADC Kilgaon zone, along with the Moshur Rahman, officer in charge of Rampura Police Station, SI Tariqul Islam Bhuiya, ASI Chanchal Chandra Sarkar and other accompanying police forces and BGP members targeted and shot Nadim Hussain, 38, and others standing in the alley in front of Bonusri Jami Masjid, located in Bonusri H Block, Kilgaon Police Station near the Rampura Police Station building, outside their territorial jurisdiction. After the Jummah prayer on 19th July 2024 at 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., two bullets entered into Nadim Hussein's belly and exited through his back, whereupon he died on the spot. Thus, the accused persons committed murder of Nadim Hussain by shooting, order for murder, abatement, incitement, facilitation, complicity, failure to take preventive or punitive measures against the perpetrators, and therefore committed crimes against humanity under Section 3, subsection 2, clause A, G, H, Section 4, subsection 1, Section 4, subsection 2, Section 4, subsection 3 of the International Crimes Tribunal Act 1973, punishable under Section 20, subsection 2 and 20A of the same Act. Charge number 2. As part of the aforementioned crime, following the instruction of Dhaka Metropolitan Commissioner Habibur Rahman on Friday, 19th July at 15 hours, Rashidul Islam, the ADC of Kilgaon zone, along with the Moshur Rahman, officer in charge of Rampura Police Station, SI Tariqul Islam Bhuiya, SI Chanchal Chandra Sarkar, and other accompanying police forces began firing from guns with the intent to murder the unarmed and innocent protesters in various areas of Bonusri H Block.
দর্শক, আমরা আন্তর্জাতিক অপরাধ ট্রাইব্যুনাল 1-এ ছিলাম বিটিভির সৌজন্যে। সেখানে জুলাই গণ অভ্যুত্থানের সময় রাজধানীর রামপুরের নির্মাণাধীন ভবনের কার্নিশে ঝুলে থাকা তরুণকে গুলি এবং আরও দুজনকে হত্যার ঘটনায় মামলার রায় সেখানে পড়া হচ্ছে। নিশ্চয়ই পরবর্তীতে আরও আপডেট আমরা সেখান থেকে পেতে থাকবো।